really lost them in there. Feels massive. Not even seen it yet. It's very far again. Getting a bit solid. As soon as he goes in there, I'll just record them. Yes, it's on back out. It's just sick though, when you put it under the water, they just slow proper down.
No.
You're trying it for another 10 minutes, yeah.
Fucking hell.
Just gotta beat my PB, it's not. None of them have them runs. I just feel
Might be a really fit fish.
You know, that's what I think. Might only be a 10, but like a beast one. Been on the way. Can you see the elastic on the video?
Not properly.
You can zoom.
Where?
Side button, right?
Which one? That one, right?
Try and both. There's one zooming and one zooming.
It does zoom in.
It does?
Up or down?
The side buttons.
Oh. Big or not?
No, isn't that big?
Oh yeah, that one. Well, I can see the elastic now.
So how far was it up there? I told you it would get that blue thing.
You don't see the belly of it though, it might be really fat.
Well, this has been the best fighting fish.
He's a thick cat.
Oh, look, that's why.
Where?
In the test. It is still like an 8 probably.
Come on then, no pissing about now. You're our personal best fish.
What?
You're our personal best fish. So look, fit man.
It ain't very big.
I know. You was expecting it to be 20, were you?
No, I was expecting it to be about over 10.
These nuts keep going in my nose.
Oh, that's managed to stay all up here.
And he's got him.
Might still be a 10, is it?
Mm. Watch that.
You got the scales for that?
Don't need to weigh him.
Wanna weigh it?
Boy, they're big. Probably 10, 11.
Get my picture.
I'm videoing it. Right in the fin. All together.
Huh?
It's like mine, ain't it? Oh. Hello. Jack's got one now, so I'll phone me in a bit, okay? Try. Come on then. Just bloody hold it.
Stop the camera then.
Hold it and then show it to the camera first.